In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off location services on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings and there scroll all the way down until you find privacy and security. And there hit on location services. By default it turned on that device, and now here I can hit on that switcher to turn it off. Read that notification. It says that location services will be disabled for all apps, but your personalized location services settings for apps will be temporarily restored if you use Find My Phone to enable lost mode. Read notification and hit turn off. And now location services is off and you can hit that switcher to turn it on again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.